Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Laura with Down Home with Lemon Pie, and this month's Universal Yum Box looks so exciting. Okay guys, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I am Laura. I am a Christian homeschool stay-at-home mom of 6 kids, and this school year we are doing our My Father's World Exploring Countries and Cultures curriculum. And so we are studying all around the world about different places and countries and cultures and ways that we can pray for them in their countries. And one of the ways that I wanted to enrich our studies was to have a subscription box. So if you've been following along, you know that we subscribe to Universal Yums. The link is below if you would like to join as well. And we get the small box even for our giant family. And we pay about $15 a month, and every month they send us a box like this, and inside it has goodies and information, which I'll show you in just a minute, but from another country. So it is super fun and just a great family night for us to do together as a family and to learn more about other countries. The only thing I don't like about this is I cannot pick and choose which country. So every time we get a box, it's a surprise and it does not correspond with our lessons. I thought that was going to bother me more than it actually does, but instead they've actually included a little booklet that tells us all about the country that the snacks are from. I know some of the other subscription companies that do this similar kind of thing, they also do snacks from other countries, but I don't believe you actually get information about that country. So that took off a ton of work on my end because I don't have to research the country beforehand or to teach the kids. It's just all in this little book. We just open the box and go. So the first thing it comes with is our scorecard, and it has here information about the country. And if you notice, this month's box is actually a little different than normal. I mentioned that they were going to be doing something like this in previous videos, and here it is. This box has, instead of one country, all the snacks from one country. This is a bunch of snacks from different countries, and it's kind of the holiday feel, which is perfect because this December we're doing a little bit of reading on Christmas in other countries, kind of as a whole. So not just focusing on one country. We did do an Israel study, and I'll talk about that in another video, but we are focusing kind of on, as a whole, on all of the countries and how they celebrate Christmas. So this is perfect for us. So here it has just little snippets of information, and it looks like our food is from, we've got England, we've got France, we've got Holland, we've got China. There might be a couple more. I don't know if I got them all. And then on this side of the card, you rate the snacks, how you liked them or didn't like them, and then you can post this on social media and kind of grade what you thought, and then they can see what you liked. Okay, so one of the things I really like about these boxes is they always have recipes. And this month, the recipe is focusing on Lunar New Year, which is a holiday they do in Taiwan, it says. And so it has here longevity noodles, and it has the recipe for us so we can make it here at home. It has a little bit of information kind of about some Christmas and New Year's things. We've got trivia. It always has trivia. This is trivia from all around the world, not just one country, so that's exciting. And some of these questions are really crazy. Okay, so like it says on December 22nd, everyone in Spain sits in front of the TV and waits for, and then it has choices. And the answer is a lottery drawing. And then it tells you why and how that works. Okay, so another one says, according to Czech tradition, folks who don't eat meat prior to Christmas dinner will see, and the answer is a golden pig. What? So anyway, it's just kind of fun trivia. The way we do it in our family, I've said it before, is I kind of do all of this first and read it as kind of the introduction to learning about that country. And usually this card has a map with places on it. So a map of the country and then places, you know, that are highlighted in that country. So we go over that, we go over this, and then we start our snacks. We just do a little sampling. So everybody gets a bite or two of each snack. So let's see what the snacks are. Okay, so the first snack I'm looking at looks like some sort of cookie. There you go. And let me find it in here and I'll tell you about it. Okay, it's from the Netherlands and it's a spice cookie. That's what I was gonna say. It kind of looks like a little gingerbread or something. That's probably gonna be pretty good, I think. Some of the snacks we've had are not good. And some are so crazy you don't think they're gonna be good, and then they are. And we usually get lots of wafers. I don't know why. Okay, what's next? It says Mackie's of Scotland. Okay, these are potato chips. And the flavor is turkey and stuffing. What? So I bet they aren't actually going to be that bad. I bet they probably will taste really good because chips are usually good in every flavor, right? So we'll see. But that's from Scotland. Okay. This next one I am a little bit cautious about, but like I said, several of them I have thought, and then they've been actually really good. This one is from Taiwan, and it is popcorn salted egg yolk. What? I don't even know where to go with that. I don't know. It's popcorn and it tastes like salted egg yolk. I don't even know if I can tell you. I like eggs. I don't know if I can tell you what exactly they taste like. So there you go. But that's why we like these bags these boxes, because you get some things that you would literally never pick up and buy off the shelves. So that is one of them. So that'll be fun. Hey, check this out. We got a sticker this time. I safely traveled the world this year. Is that a kick out to COVID? Probably. Anyways, so that's what that is. I will probably make copies of this and put it in the little passport that my kids are working on for their curriculum because that's fun. Okay. All right, the next one we've got is French. It says cocoa powdered truffles, the French taste. I will say that our bag feels like it got melted and then re-hardened. Probably because we live in Texas, and the day this was actually delivered, it was warm outside. So, like, really warm. So that's probably why, but I think it'll still be good. Yeah, cocoa powdered truffles. I think everybody likes truffles, but seriously, I do not. I am probably the weirdest person ever, but I don't think they're that great. Okay, this next one is from, it's from England. Mocktail bonbons. I'm not really excited about that. I don't like alcohol. I don't like alcoholic flavored things. I don't know. So that's what that is. The flavors are, they feel like hard candies, and the flavors are Cosmopolitan, Peach Bellini, Gin and Rhubarb, Prosecco, did I even pronounce that right? Tequila Sunrise. Obviously, I'm not a drinker, so there's that. I don't know. I bet they're like little hard candies. That's what they kind of feel like. Okay, this next one is called an Alpine Nutcake, and it says it's from the Swiss Alps. So it's really tiny, but it looks like it's a perfect little like Christmas thing with the nuts inside. It's like a little pastry. I'll let you see there. Wait, that's super blurry. There you go. Okay, so it's like a little pastry with nuts and some sort of filling. It looks tasty. I will say it's really small, so it's gonna be hard to divide it up among all our people, but we can do it. It just won't get very much. Okay. Okay, so the last one, this is the last thing in our box. It says shortbread with powdered sugar topping. It's called torta polvoron. What? I don't know. I might have pronounced that way off. and it is from Spain. So there you go. It's probably really tasty. I don't have a picture of any of these or I would show them to you, but I'm assuming some sort of brown cookie with powdered sugar. Maybe? I don't know. Anyway, so that is our box. It's got some extra information here inside just about this time of year and around the world. So if you guys are also wanting to join in the fun and kind of enrich your school, even if you're not doing the same curriculum as us or you're not even studying around the world, it's just a fun way to enrich your studies and just have a fun family night. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't seen all the videos for our Universal Yums box, I've done them every month since we started, and you can go back and find them. They are in a playlist. I'll link it below so that you can find it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.